Hi, today we will discuss what is the difference between while and do while in C programming language. Just I wrote a simple program include stdio.h void main and I defined one variable I equal 1 because of I am showing a simple program because you can understand very easily. And I wrote while, and in while this is the basic syntax. First we have to write while, open bracket, here we have to mention condition and close the bracket, and don't put semicolon here. If you put semicolon here means in C programming language it treats as an empty statement. Okay, here this statement only work. Okay, this statement will not come to while. Okay, you don't put semicolon after while. Okay, and I wrote two statements in open bracket. In loop control statement, what will be the control statement? If you want to execute single statement, you don't put not need to put curly brackets. Okay, if you want to execute group of statements, here I want to execute two statements here. Okay, first statement and second statement, these two statements I want to execute under while. Okay, if you want to execute two statement, more than one statement under while, or what else may be the do while, what else may be the for, or in if else statement, anything it may be. Okay, basic concept is if you want to execute more than one statement in control statements, okay, then we have to use curly brackets. Okay, so I am using I need two statements here, so I wrote I used here two curly brackets. Okay, open bracket and close bracket. Okay, and I wrote just a printf I equal percentage d, and it prints a I value equal to 1, I value equal to, this is where here it prints. Okay, and it increments one value. Okay, just what happened here in while, first I value takes 1. If the condition is true, okay, then only it will be executed here. I value 1 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Okay, in while what happened, first checks the condition. Okay, here first checks the condition. If condition is true, if condition is true, if condition is true, it executes statements, it executes loop statements. Okay, here condition is true, it executes a statement here. Okay, and what happened, this prints here, and I value become, first I initiated 1 and 1 less than equal 5, condition true, and this printed, and I value become I plus plus means I value become 2, and what happened here, condition 2 less than. Okay, if I change here I value 6, let me see, then only we will know what is the difference between while and do while. Okay, what happened here I value become 6. Okay, first program start from here, I value become 6, and 6 less than or equal 5, condition false. So what happened here, it does not work this statements in case of while. Okay, let me see what is the difference between, let me see how do while statement works. And in same I wrote same program, I wrote int I equal 1, and here this is a syntax. If you want to use do while, first you have to mention do and open bracket and close bracket while, here we have to write condition. Okay, open bracket close bracket condition, while condition. Okay, here we have to put semicolon here. Let me see, after while here we don't put any semicolon, but in case we have to, in case of do while we have to put semicolon. Okay, after while, first I define I equal 1, I am saying do whatever may be the condition. I am saying here whatever it may be the condition, you execute these all statements. Okay, Here in do, I am not checking any condition. Okay, I am not using any condition. That is the syntax of C program. What happened here? Just simply executing here. Okay, I equal to, here it prints, and I plus plus means I value become 2 and 2 less than or equal 5. Okay, this is where it works up to 5 times. 5 less than or equal 5 and 6 less than. When I value becomes 6, it exits from loop. Okay, in case I will change I value 6. In case of while, if I take an I value 6, what happened? No statement will be executed here. Okay, but let me see what happened in do while. I given 6. What happens with the initial value? Okay, while in case of while, it depends on initial value, but in case of do while, it does not the matter of the initial value. Okay, here I value 6, just it execute the statement. Okay, here it prints the statement I value I equal 6, it prints. Okay, and next I value I plus plus, I value become 7. Okay, I value become 6. Okay, what happened here? Okay, 7 less than or equal 5, condition false. Just simply it exit from loop, it exit from loop, and it exit from program. Okay, what happened here? Here in do while, minimum execution time. In do while minimum execution time is execution time. Okay, one time it execute. Okay, but in case what would be the condition? Okay, but here in case it checks the condition. If condition fails, it does not work. But here initially it does not check any condition. First it gives the permission to execute the statement. After that, if the condition fails, it exits from the loop. This is where it works. Okay, this is the main difference between while and do while in C programming language. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.